Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be introducing to you this beautiful new hair that I've fallen in love with. Okay guys, so I got this hair like a while back, and I love this hair so much because it's really nice. So I actually wore this hair to my Instagram live, and everybody on the live was just asking me like, please, which was the brand name, please, what brand got this hair like. Okay, so I'm here to introduce the hair to you guys. This unit is from a brand, REMY Forte, and as you can see is actually a glueless wig. You can see like this, the funny thing is the fact that this hair is actually a frontal, like 13 by 4 inches, and is glueless, and the lace is nowhere to be found. Like, that is an amazing thing, and the hair, the length is beautiful, everything is nice. Okay guys, so this is the box that the hair came with, and now this is me bringing the hair out of the box. Like guys, when I talk about the length, this is supposed to be 26 inches, and you can see how long. I love the length, like I love the length, upon though that this is even a wavy hair, like deep wave. And I love the bounce, I love everything about this hair. Oh my god, like I feel like I should already sleep with it. Okay guys, so this hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut actually, and I love the way they plucked this hair so much. And now it has this adjustable band at the back, and it has these clips at the back that you can equally use to secure the hair. And it equally has, so they cut out the ear parts so well. This is one of the things I love so much about this hair when I wore it. So the ear parts, they actually made sure that they cut the ear parts for me, like I don't have to like do any cutting anymore. Okay guys, so equally it has this net at the back, so it actually you can actually like pack it up like kind of a ponytail kind of packing and stuff. Okay guys, so when I was actually done and showing everything, I had to tint down the hair color so that it matched my body color very well, skin color very well. So I'm using my foundation to do that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it, like how I wore that, because like guys, I really wear the hair very well. I really do. So I'm going to be wearing the hair after putting my foundation on the lace. So I wore the hair, and I'm just like putting it, making adjustment and wearing it so that everything will be fine. Like I said, it's a 13 by 4 inches, 13 by 4 inches lace. That's the lace. Okay guys, so I'm using my comb to like take the hairs back. You can see like my ear parts, that is my highlights. Like it fits my hair very it's just as if there was a measurement for my hair. So I love that so much. So this is just me combing out the hair. Like guys, like I love this hair so much. It's not even like, this is not even a joke, I'm serious. I'm serious. Like the hair looks so nice, it's amazing. Okay guys, so I love the way the hair fits me. I love everything about the hair. One of the things I was really scared about was the fact that it was not parted, so I had to do that myself, which I don't think I have done before. So like on myself, I've not parted a hair on myself before. So I'm like, you know what, let me just give it a shot, let me try. So I did just a thing, I just slit the line, and boom, it came out nice, which is amazing. Like, and I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to clean that, so I have to go with this. So I'm using um my wax stick to slick down the pattern, that, because I don't know, it just has to come out nice. So and after that, I'm using my hot comb as well to slick it down, because it has to be flat, you know what I mean. So like I said, they actually did the pattern, sorry, they actually did the plucking for me very well. Like they did the plucking, and they did a very nice job. That's one thing, like this is one of the highlights. Like once the plucking is well done by the brand, like I love it when brands do this plucking thing very well. So this is one of it. Like the plucking is just so nice, and I love that. Like it brings out the hairline and everything, and it's going to be perfect. So I love that so much. Okay guys, so this is me just like slicking down the hair, because I want it to be flat. I don't want to have any bumpy stuff in my front hair and stuff. So I'm just using my styling mousse. Honestly, I don't know why I put the styling mousse at this point. I honestly don't think I have idea why I put it at this point. Just that I don't know. I'm just like, you know what, let me just add it. You know how I've been using styling mousse to style my curly hairs and stuff. So at this point I don't know. I'm just like, let me add the curly styling mousse. Highest, what's come to worst is not going to be fine. But I'm just like, let me add. So after adding it and I saw that it was not giving me what I want. What do I do? I had to just continue and all that. So when I was done, I had to cut out the part that I'm going to be using for the baby hair. And you know one funny thing, so the fact that this is actually even a 13 by 4, like this is, you can actually wear this like this without even like doing the baby hair, because it was sitting perfectly, like pretty on my head. Like it was sitting so well, it was not pulling out. You can actually wear this like this, honestly. But because I actually learned how to do the baby hair recently, like you guys already know, I used to share the videos. So I had to, like do the baby hair because I love it. Like ever since I learned how to do this baby hair, oh my god, this age is going to hear word for me. Okay guys, so when I was done with that, so I had to just tie it down because I want the edges part to come forward. I tied it down and I removed it immediately because like there is no need tying it down at that point. I was not done with anything. So after that I just have to comb out because yeah, I wanted the edges part to like come forward and all that, and I can't use my hot comb for that. I don't want to burn myself. Okay guys, so I just cut out the first part because I already sectioned out all the tiny hairs I'm going to be using for the edges. So I sectioned them out, so I'm just going to be coiling it now, and after coiling I'll start creating the edges. Even at this point, like, I think right now I'm just making mouths that I do edges very well, because when I was starting these edges I was thinking I was not going to get it, but you know how I just started and it was following my instructions. This is the first time. I don't know if it's because of the hair. I don't know if it's because of the hair, because I have tried creating these edges like this with a lot of other hair per se or something, but I don't know. Like this just worked. Like without anything, it just worked. Like it worked. And like I'm so happy with myself. I'm so happy that I don't know if it's because I've not been using this side of brush to do it. I don't know. I don't just know, but like it just worked. And that was an amazing something. I was so excited. Like I'm so excited. If you guys should see the videos, like everything about the hair that I did was just it was just excitement for me, because I was just so excited about the whole thing. So I'm using this my tiny tangling brush, and I'll just do the whole thing. And can you even see, like I don't even know, is this me that is doing this baby hair thing like this? And can oh my god, as I'm even watching the video right now, I'm even like getting amazed with the things I can. Oh my god, am I the one that is doing this? I can't believe this. Also, I felt like this side is not as, because this side just like surprised me. This is me just looking at it, and I'm so happy. I am so happy. Like I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Like this particular hair did it for me. Like it showed me that yeah, Ifee, you are who you think you are. Okay, so this is me doing this side. Of course, in as much as I praise myself for the front side, for the front part, this side is not something I can praise yet, because I've not gotten there yet. I'm trying, but the thing is not agreeing. Like it's being stubborn, and I can't kill myself. So I had to force it to bend to my rules. I used my hand. I had to use my hand and adjust it and make sure it bend. So I don't know if it's looking nice, but whatever. Who cares? Okay guys, so this side as well, I'm trying to turn the stuff, but I'm avoiding my ears, but because I don't want anything to burn me or whatever. Okay guys, so when I was done, I had to use my brush as well. Can you see the baby, the hairline I'm talking about? Like when I bend my hair, you can see the hairline, because this is what I'm talking about. So the plucking is neat. I love that. I love that. It's giving the hairline. So when I was done with that, I just had to tie and secure the front hair, my edges that I just did. and because I equally try to slick back the hairline, yeah, so that it's just going to slick and stay like that when I lose this. Okay guys, so afterwards, just so when I just brought it out, I just comb out the whole hair. I am just, like using my comb to comb it out, and yeah, I used my wax stick again, trying to slick back the more. If there's anything that is left to be slicked, like, oh my god, like everything just, I'm just happy. I'm just excited because at this I was just doing this, and it was obeying me. It was following to my rules. And that's one thing I love. I love it so much when I am struggling to work, or I'm struggling to do something, and that stuff is paying attention to me. I love it when they pay attention. Yeah, okay, so I just had to, like, this is the first time I think I'm equally doing this. I've never tried to use my foundation to pat my hair before. I do it on clients, but on myself, no, I have not, because I'm always scared of making mistakes. I don't know why. When it comes to people, like, I don't scare mistakes. I'm not scared of mistakes or something. Let me put it that way. I'm not scared of mistakes. But when it comes to myself, I'm always so scared of mistake because I don't know why. Okay guys, so at this point I'm just trying to coil the hair. So I'm just trying to give you some more like strong and beautiful and nice coils. Yeah, and this is the first one that I did. I think I didn't do the coils I want to get. These are the coils I'm hoping for. So I'm going to comb it out, and I'm going to definitely redo that. So now at this point here, I got the coils I wanted to do. Yeah, this is the way I want to do it. I wanted to have a more loose coils, so it's going to look like the coils that this hair came with, but just in a more pronounced way. Yeah, so yeah, exactly, this is what I'm talking about. Like, that's bouncy, kind of coils and stuff. So I equally have to coil the rest of the hair. I'm going to be leaving the link to this hair in my description bar below, because a lot of people have been asking me for it. So this hair is actually from REMY Forte. Also, you can get a 20% discount off when you use my special code Ifee. It's not hard. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. Like, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Can you see, like, oh, coiling this hair like makes it look so nice, and everything is so beautiful. Okay guys, so at this point I'm done coiling, and I had to lose the front hair. Like, guys, can you tell? Can you tell me? What can you tell me? Like, just say something. Just say something. Just drop your comment on the comment section. This hair is looking beautiful. I know. Yeah. And this is me equally showing you guys that there is no glue on this hair whatsoever. There is no glue. You can see delay. You can see my comb swiping through, and the fact that the lace is hidden, everything disappeared. You can't even see the lace. It's looking so amazing. Like, this hair is beautiful. So when I was doing my makeup, like I said earlier, people were asking me like, if you can you tell me the name of this brand. I was telling them this is from REMY Forte. REMY Forte. Like, this hair is nice, is amazing. Yeah, I'm going to be that the name of the brand and the link to the hair will be on my description down below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put on your post notification, because I'm going to be seeing you next. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.